Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can SSH into a droplet that we're going to create fresh here. So first, on DigitalOcean, go to droplets. There'll be a link in the description, by the way. And to get here, we're just going to go Ubuntu, we're going to go basic, we're going to go regular SSD. I'm going to go on the cheapest plan, doesn't really matter, New York. And here, usually you basically want to select the SSH key that you'll be able to log in with. So what we need to do, we want a new SSH key. But before we can do that, we're going to open terminal and we're going to navigate into a folder called SSH. As you can see in here, I've got all of my different SSH keys. All we're going to do is SSH Keygen. Enter file in which you want to save it. We do just want to basically save it here. This is going to name it for us. We don't want that, so we want it something like I guess it could just be DOcean. I've already got that, so you can call it whatever you want. I guess I'll call it DOcean test YouTube. No passphrase, nothing like that. And we have created that now. So what we want to do is, let me make that a bit bigger as well. Hopefully everyone can see that. I'll make it one smaller actually. We want a cat. Where is it? DOcean test YouTube .pub. That's our public key. And we want to grab that, copy and paste that into here. I don't think I copied and pasted it. Control copy. There you go. I think that's correct. And then this, usually just name it the machine. Well, I think I've already got that name, but I guess for me this would be like I don't know, Linux Manjaro home, and I probably wouldn't name it like that, probably something like this. Linux Manjaro home, and then the user, add this SSH key, and this is the one that we've decided to use. Okay, and that should be it. I think we can just go ahead and create it, and then I'll show you how we can actually SSH into it. So our droplet's now been created and we've got an IP address, so we should be able to just SSH into it. So the way we do that is with this command. So I can kind of tell what's going on. We're going to SSH in. The key we're going to use is the DOcean test YouTube that we've used. I'm here specifying a full path, and I think you should always do this because that way it doesn't matter where you are on your system, you'll be able to SSH into it. Root by default is the user for Ubuntu on DigitalOcean. So if you're using Ubuntu, then you need to use root. If you're using one of the other images, then you will probably need to use a different user, so you have to look that up. But this should be it. So yes, and we're in our Ubuntu system. So that's it for this video. Again, there'll be a link in the description for an affiliate, probably for DigitalOcean, which you can use to sign up or whatever. You don't need to, but that's how you do it. It should be the same everywhere. The reason I pretty much made this video is just because I'm doing a bunch of these videos where we set up SSH keys, so I thought it'd be better to just have it in one video. But yeah, like, subscribe, and new videos every Monday. And yeah, hopefully that was useful.